Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? Dear students, actually we are learning narration from the last class, and we have already learned about assertive sentence, that is how to convert an assertive sentence from direct speech to indirect speech. So that video is already been uploaded in the school website. If you miss it out, please go and see the video first. Okay, and today we'll be learning about interrogative sentence and operative sentence, that is how to change from direct to indirect of interrogative and operative sentence. So let's first talk about interrogative sentence. He said to me, will you go with me? So here you can see that we have an interrogative sentence in our reported speech. So now in the place of said or said to, we have to write asked, like he asked me. Now we can't take that in the place of inverted comma, rather we have to take either if or WH question. You should keep in mind that if the sentence is starting with a WH question, then that very WH question will come here in the place of inverted comma. But if you don't have any WH question in the interrogative sentence, that means if the interrogative sentence is without WH question, then you should take if in the place of inverted comma. Now you have to convert that interrogative sentence into an assertive sentence, but in rough portion. Like the assertive form of this sentence will be, you will go with me. That means our will actually is here. So we don't have any will here, it has already come here. Now at the beginning we have the subject you, and according to me it will be I. Then we have to change will, because we have two verbs side by side, so the first one will be changed here, will into would. So we can't change go here, it will remain unchanged, and with. Me being a first person will take the person of he, and it will be him, and we must put full stop here, full stop, not the interrogative sign. Okay, so the thing is that in the place of said or said to, you have to take asked. Then in the place of inverted comma, you have to take either if or WH question. If you have any WH question at the beginning of the interrogative sentence, that WH question will come, except if. Then the interrogative sentence should be changed into assertive sentence first, but in rough portion, and you have to make it indirect according to the rules of assertive sentence actually, and put full stop at the very end of the sentence. We should take another example here with WH question. Like he said to me, when will you solve it? So the reporting speech will be like this: he asked me. You should keep in mind that to will never come here. Then in the place of inverted comma, you can't take if here, because you have a WH question here. That's why that very WH question will come in the place of inverted comma, like when. He asked me when. Now this part should be turned into assertive sentence first. That means will actually will be here. You will solve it. You will be I. then would solve it, full stop. So what have we learned yet? That is, in the place of said or said to, we should put asked. Then in the place of inverted comma, we have to put either if or WH question if there is any. Then the sentence should be turned into assertive, and we should make it indirect according to the rules of assertive sentence and put a full stop at the very end of the sentence. So that's all about interrogative sentence. If you follow these steps, you can solve interrogative sentence easily. So now we'll have discussion on operative sentence. So in an operative sentence, actually we wish or pray for someone or something. So in most of the cases, operative sentence contains may or might or wish. So let's take an example first. He said, he said to me, okay, may you get GPA 5 in exam. That means someone is wishing me that if I might get GPA 5 in the exam. So what to do here, as the sentence is expressing a wish or prayer, that's why we should put either wish or pray it here, like he wished me. You can write wished, or you can write prayed for. If you write prayed, then you should take for. So he wished me or he prayed for me. Now in the place of inverted comma, we should write that. Now as interrogative sentence, this sentence also should be turned into assertive by bringing that auxiliary after the subject. So here the sentence will be, you may get GPA 5. So you will be I, may will be might here. Now get won't be changed because we are changing here the first one. That's why the second one will remain unchanged. Get GPA 5 in exam. So this is the only rule of operative sentence. So what you have to do here, first in the place of said or said to, you should write either wished or prayed. But remember, if someone is asking or wishing something to the God or Almighty, then we should use prayed for. Otherwise we can use wished. Then the object will come here if there is any object. Otherwise you need not take any object yourself. Then in the place of inverted comma, as assertive sentence, you should take that. And then the sentence should be changed into assertive first, and you should make it indirect according to the rules of assertive sentence. Okay, so by now we have learned, that is about interrogative sentence and operative sentence, how to change it from direct to indirect. So some exercise will be given in the school website. Please download and solve yourself and send it to me, and thank you for watching the video.